So yes, I'm cutting money. I'm already cut some. It's already in there. And I'm at the end of it. Yes, I'm cutting money. Yes, I am. And this is a very, very powerful spell. And you need a little bit, a couple dollars. But this a couple dollars will bring you so much more. This is a very, very powerful spell, guys. I don't teach this just like this. I teach this to all my students. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join my magical class. Come and learn how to create these powerful spells. Come and learn what a powerful being you are, the magical person that you are. In this class, you will find out who you are. You will know thyself even more. You will learn a lot about yourself. You will connect to your guides, to your spirits, to angels. You will connect to your higher self. You practically will know thyself, and you will empower yourself. And the most important thing, you will learn how to be well protected and cleanse your aura of all those negative energies that stops you from being successful. And you will learn all the secrets, recipes that I have. These are so powerful, and all my students get to have it. So what are you waiting for? Yes, you're seeing me cutting money. And it's not at all, it is great because this is only $3 in here. But this is gonna bring me a lot more. It may even do maybe $1,000, if not more. It depends on what my intention it is. This is a very powerful formula. It's got herbs in here. It's got other items that you learn. Actually, if you sign in today, it's already in the site. So you can actually go make it the minute you sign up. If you click on the link, it's 50% off on your first month. What do you got to lose? It'll be like very cheap, $18. What do you buy for $18? Nothing. More like it, in here you will learn how to empower yourself and how to make, by aligning your energies, by aligning your magical you and bringing out your magic. You will learn how to manifest your dreams. Don't wait too long. Again, you sign in today, you get this, what I'm doing right now, automatically. You get it right away. It's right there. It's one of the classes. My students are already working on this. They're already manifesting. And it's just a couple months and they're already doing great. So what are you waiting for? Come and join me. I will look forward to see you on the other side. And come and create this amazing spell.